ROG Zephyrus Duo is unique right now, a fairly portable 15-inch laptop with two excellent displays and the most powerful hardware available at this point in its segment. As expected, though, all these don't come cheap. We're currently retesting a retail Zephyrus Duo unit, and we'll finalize the review in the next couple of days. In this article, we're taking a detailed look at the 2020 ROG Zephyrus Duo GX550 from ASUS, their new top-of-the-line performance 15-inch ultra-portable. ROG laptops are among the most popular gaming and performance notebooks in their segments, and this series builds on ASUS's prior experience with the Zephyrus S ultra-portable series. The major novelty is the addition of a secondary screen, something ASUS previously implemented on their Zenbook Duo notebooks, but this time the screen is angled towards the user, for better viewing angles, functionality, and thermal management, as well as backed up by pretty much the most powerful hardware platform currently available. Our configuration is one of those top-tier variants, built on an Intel Core i9-10980HK processor and NVIDIA RTX 2080 Super graphics, and paired with a 4K main display with 100% Adobe Rgb coverage. ASUS also offers a 300Hz FHD screen choice for this laptop, but the rich 4K panel might be the more attractive here, as the Zephyrus Duo is not primarily a gaming laptop, but rather a powerful workstation with beefy specs and two screens. We've spent the last few weeks with our Zephyrus Duo GX550 sample and gathered out thoughts down below, with the positives and the quirks that you should be aware of before spending a small fortune on this computer, currently listed at between $3,000 to $4,000 USD between configurations. Due to our tight schedule, we're still working on this article and will fill up the blanks in the next 24 to 48 hours. Our unit is an early sample offered by ASUS for this review, and it performed much as I would expect from the final retail models. Retail configurations might get different amounts of memory and storage, but for the most part, you'll get two different 2020 Zephyrus Duo 15 GX550 versions. The Zephyrus Duo GX550 LXS reviewed here, with either a Core i7-10875H or Core i9-10980HK processor and RTX 2080 Super, 90W+, graphics, and either 300Hz FHD or UHD screen. The Zephyrus Duo GX550 LWS variant, with a Core i7-1875H processor and RTX 2070 Super, 90W+, graphics, the same screen options. As you figured out by now, the Zephyrus Duo employs the same sort of reverse design we've previously seen on the Zenbook Duo and Zephyrus S GX531, with a bottom-positioned keyboard, a small clickpad at the right, and the top reserved for the hardware and in this case, an extra display. The secondary screen mechanically lifts up when you open the main screen, and ends up in a fixed position, at a roughly 15 degrees incline towards the front. There's no way to manually adjust this angle, it's fixed and the whole mechanism works smoothly. The materials integrated into this mechanism seem fairly sturdy, but I'd be careful not to press too heavily on this secondary screen or catch anything between it and the main chassis when closing the laptop's main screen, such as the power cord or other cables. It's not going to break the system, it's not fragile by any means, but I'd still advise extra care.